Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix authentication problem in Poppo Live. Face verification falling right when you're trying to log in can feel like and the app suddenly forgot what you look like. When that happens, I usually start with the basics, checking my front camera. I open a camera app to make sure it's clear, then move into a well-lit spot with no glare. I also remove anything that might block my face, like glasses or even a dirty screen protector. If that doesn't fix it, I head into my phone settings, find the app, and clear the cache. It's a small step, but it often clears out weird glitches. I also restart my phone because sometimes the issue isn't the app, it's just the device acting up. If the problem keeps coming back, I try resetting my face data and registering it again from scratch. And of course, I check for updates, both for the app and my system. Quick tip: a stable environment matters more than you think. Lighting alone can make or break the scan. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.